After spending over $1.3 million on ads and installing the system for over 1,500 coaches, I can honestly tell you that getting 10 clients this month isn't about working harder, but it's about having the right playbook. And today I'm going to break down the exact quick win approach that gets results fast, even if you've never ran ads before or even if you have a small audience. The fastest path by far is the Instagram DM funnel. But right away, most coaches freak out whenever they hear the word ads. Now, you've probably tried them before and maybe you've lost some money or you just didn't know what you were doing, and then that got you saying ads don't work for me. I need you to forget all of that right now. The ads in this system have one job and one job only, and that's to get your ideal avatar in the DMs with you. That's it. We're literally not even trying to sell them anything. We are simply just starting a friendly conversation. By the way, if you're a coach doing around 5 to 30K a month and you want to get this exact system installed inside your business, click the first link in the description to learn more. You really only need 3 simple things to make this entire system work. Let's break it down. Thing number 1 is you just need a simple ad. I have an ad script formula down below, and I'm going to show you an actual winning ad of a video that's worked for us, but it's really simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. You want to, 1, call out your niche and their big pain points. You can literally say, hey, if you are blank and you're struggling with blank. Now, the bigger the pain point, the better you're going to be able to target them. And this is why you really need to understand who your ideal avatar is. The next part is you need to state the desired outcome. And if you want to blank the desired outcome, end with a simple call to action. Then DM me keyword, whatever the word is that you want, and I'll send you my free blank. Now you can either say free resource, you can say my free video. I'm a big believer of not using the word free as much because when you say free, you kind of track like Walmart buyers. So I like to say DM me keyword and I'll send you a video breaking down everything in detail, something along the lines of that. So here's one of the ads I'm talking about. It says, yo, if you're a coach or consultant trying to run ads but not seeing consistent results, you need to stop running all those other ads with Facebook groups, YouTube ads, VSLs. It doesn't work anymore. It used to way back in the past, but now what's working is by turning your Instagram profile into a client acquisition machine. And we do this by running Instagram DM ads to get more people in the ecosystem and then retarget them over and over and over again until they become a client. Now, everybody that sees this video tries copying this style, but it doesn't work because we've been doing this for over 6 years and have developed one unique system that just works. So if you'd like more information, message me the word scale down below and I'll send it over. Now, this particular video generated us quite a bit of money. It's about 2.5 years old. It's not active right now. If you want to go copy it, I don't really care. You can, probably shouldn't, but I just want to show you like kind of how this winning ad, what it actually looks like. All right, that's thing 1. Now let's move over on to thing number 2, which is an optimized profile. An optimized profile is actually quite simple. You really don't need to overcomplicate it. All you need to do is just have a one-liner saying exactly what you do. So for this one, I'll turn your IG into an automated client acquisition funnel. Guaranteed. 1 call to action, which is find out more. And then there's the link right there that pushes them there. Now I'm a big believer of having some sort of video that somebody can watch just so that they can get familiar with you more, because the more information someone digests, the better their sales process becomes and the more of a hot lead they become. So when you hop on a sales call with them, if someone's watched 7 hours worth of content compared to someone that's watched 0, who do you think is going to become a client faster? 7-hour content person, right? So then I like to have 3 story highlights as well. Client results, my life, just showing people I'm a real person, just some cool stuff that I've done. And then about me, just showing like who I am, some things I've done, some things I've accomplished. I've been on podcasts, speaking events, etc., etc. And then 3 pen posts that make your prospects say, wow. This is probably the most important part that a lot of people overlook, is you need to make sure you're very strategic with what you're putting on your pen posts and it goes with the flow of your theme. For this particular example, I had a client that made $100,000 in 1 month. I had a little case study there. I put my 7-figure ad strategy, and then there was like a hype video of me just doing some cool shit because people like seeing cool shit. So moving on to thing number 3 now is a way to qualify in the DMs. You don't need to overcomplicate this. I always tell my clients, think about it like you're having a cocktail conversation with somebody at the bar. You're not going to go up and just interrogate them and say question, 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 question. You want it to flow, but you also want to qualify them. So some easy things you can say is like, hey, thanks for the message. What's your coaching business and where are you currently at monthly on your revenue? Got it. What's your revenue goal for the next 6 months? Cool. And then what's the main thing holding you back from getting there? Like, what all have you tried, man? Is that something you're looking to solve right now? The whole point is it needs to flow. If you start interrogating someone, cool, what's your business? How much money did you make? What's your revenue goal? What's holding you back? See, it's so boring. You want to be like, thanks, man. Thanks for reaching out. I see you're a coach. How long you been doing that for? Like, I'd gradually get into it. Cool. And where you guys at monthly right now? Okay, cool. And I'm assuming your goal is probably get to like 50 to 100K a month. You have to understand your avatar. Yeah, I'd like to get to 100K a month. Cool. Well, other than ads, I'm assuming that's probably the biggest thing. Like, what's really holding you back? Oh, nothing, man. Just ads. We can't crack the code. Okay, cool. Well, do you have a budget set aside to run ads? Like, if we were able to help you out in the next 30 days? Okay, cool. Well, let's hop on a call. Let's go in a little bit more detail. Super simple. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Now, I want to show you proof that this actually works, because I get it. A lot of people come online, they start talking a big game, but inside my company, we have one saying: numbers don't lie. So before Valentino started working with us, he was stuck at 7K a month, literally doing everything himself inside his business with no predictability. We then helped him install this exact ad to DM to call system, and then he scaled to over $100,000 in one single month and has generated over $1 million with this simple system. I also want to shout out my client Valentino over here, who before he started working with us, he made $120,000 in revenue in 1 year. After working with us, he generated over $700,000 in cash. And you can see all of his numbers over here. And then also there's another screenshot over here of what he was showing is he's made over $1 million inside his business. And this says, like, before starting with us, he was literally making like $8,000 to $10,000, give or take. And then now he's made over $1 million inside his business. So just goes to show, when you have the simple system down, you can really grow and scale fast. So now let's talk about the investor math. This isn't gambling, it's a machine. We know for every $1 that we put into this system, we're getting $4 back. This means if you're wanting to make $40,000 in one single month, you need to invest $10,000 and acquire those customers. When you understand the numbers, it becomes a predictable engine for growth. Now, if you're a coach doing at least $10,000 a month and you want me and my team to help you install this exact system so you know how to put $1 in and get $4 back every single time, click the first link in the description down below to learn more.